Welcome to News Beacon, your trusted source for breaking headlines, global insights, and sharp analysis from around the world. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. The F-35B Lightning II isn't just another fighter jet, it's a revolution in military aviation. It's a flying supercomputer, a stealth bomber, and a vertical landing attack craft all in one. Born from decades of research and a staggering budget, every inch of the F-35B is meticulously engineered for a specific purpose. Its sharp, alien silhouette signals a new era of warfare, one fought with information, stealth, and speed. The F-35B is designed to survive and dominate in the world's most hostile environments, where older jets wouldn't stand a chance. It forces adversaries to rethink their entire defensive strategy, projecting power in ways few assets can. The jet's development was long and controversial, but overcoming those challenges is what makes its engineering so remarkable. The F-35B replaces aging aircraft like the Harrier, but adds stealth and advanced technology never before seen in a vertical landing platform. It's not just about dogfighting or dropping bombs anymore. It's about situational awareness, data sharing, and electronic warfare. The F-35B acts as a node in a vast network, gathering and distributing intelligence across the battlefield. It can see everything without being seen, making it the ultimate quarterback of modern combat. Its engineering gives pilots a decisive edge, smarter, faster decisions that mean the difference between victory and defeat. The F-35B is the embodiment of a new military doctrine, where information is as lethal as firepower. It's a machine that changes the rules of engagement for any force that operates it. The F-35B isn't just a marvel of engineering, it's the apex predator of the skies. In the high-stakes world of aerial combat, it's the difference between mission success and catastrophic failure. To understand the F-35B, forget what you know about conventional fighter jets. Unlike traditional fighters tied to long, vulnerable runways, the F-35B can launch from short decks, damaged airfields, or makeshift bases near the front lines. This short takeoff and vertical landing, STOVL capability is a strategic revolution. The F-35 program produced 3 variants, but the B model is the most audacious. Built for the Marine Corps and Allied navies, it delivers advanced stealth, powerful sensors, and networked warfare, all while operating from almost anywhere. With the F-35B, even a small amphibious ship becomes a floating stealth fighter base, able to appear and disappear across the world's oceans. This unpredictability forces adversaries to stretch their defenses thin, never knowing where the next strike might come from. The F-35B turns the sea into a launch pad, multiplying the lethality and reach of naval forces. Packing all this into one airframe required staggering engineering, balancing the heavy lift system with speed, agility, and stealth. Every pound for STOVL meant less for fuel or weapons, demanding relentless optimization. The result, a jet that can sprint supersonic, evade radar, and land on a patch of concrete the size of a tennis court. No other fighter on Earth combines these capabilities. The F-35B's flexibility is a game changer for modern warfare. It's more than a fighter jet, it's a force multiplier. The F-35B's STOVL system is its defining feature, freeing it from traditional runways. By rotating its engine nozzle downward, it can take off from short runways or ship decks. But the real marvel is its vertical landing, transitioning from high-speed flight to a stable hover, then settling with pinpoint accuracy. In a war zone, if a base is bombed and runways are destroyed, conventional jets are stranded, but the F-35B can still land, refuel, and take off from a small patch of pavement. This resilience keeps air power in the fight, even when infrastructure is lost. The transition from flight to hover is managed by advanced flight control software, translating pilot inputs into thousands of micro-adjustments per second. The pilot focuses on the mission, not the mechanics of hovering. The F-35B's STOVL system is a leap beyond the Harrier, using modern computing to make vertical flight safer and easier. The result, a practical, sustainable weapon system, not just a technological curiosity. Vertical flight is now a reliable, lethal tool for modern combat. The F-35B's engineering makes the impossible routine. It's a game changer for any force that needs flexible, survivable air power. The F-35B redefines what's possible in military aviation. The secret to the F-35B's vertical landing is the Rolls-Royce lift system. At its heart is a massive lift fan behind the cockpit, powered by a shaft from the main engine. When hovering, the fan blasts cool air down while the engine's nozzle pivots to direct hot exhaust downward. Together, they generate over 40,000 pounds of vertical thrust, enough to lift the entire jet. Stability comes from two roll posts in the wings, using bleed air to keep the aircraft level. The flight control computer manages all this automatically, giving the pilot a rock-solid platform. The engineering challenge synchronizing fan, nozzle, and roll posts at thousands of RPM, all while maintaining stealth. The result is a symphony of mechanical, aerodynamic, and digital engineering. The F-35B's lift system is a marvel that makes vertical flight practical and powerful. It's raw power, precisely controlled. The F-35B is a true stealth fighter, designed to be nearly invisible to enemy radar. Its airframe is a collection of carefully angled surfaces, deflecting radar waves away from their source. Planform alignment ensures every edge and panel minimizes radar reflection. The jet is coated in radar-absorbent material, absorbing radar energy and reducing its signature to the size of a golf ball on enemy screens. Weapons and fuel are carried internally, avoiding the radar Christmas tree effect of external stores. Even the engine intake is serpentine, hiding reflective fan blades from radar. Stealth extends to infrared. The engine's exhaust is cooled and shaped to reduce its heat profile. The F-35B's electronic warfare suite can jam or exploit enemy emissions, adding another layer of survivability. This holistic approach, covering radar, infrared, and electronic signatures, makes the F-35B a true fifth-generation stealth fighter. It's built to survive and strike in the world's most contested airspace. The F-35B's real revolution is inside, its sensor fusion core. The jet is packed with powerful sensors, all seamlessly integrated to give the pilot a complete, real-time picture of the battle space. Data from radar, infrared, and cameras is fused into a single intuitive display. The distributed aperture system uses 6 infrared cameras to provide a 360-degree view, detecting threats from any direction. The pilot sees a clean tactical map, with targets automatically identified and labeled. This frees the pilot to focus on tactics, not sensor management. The F-35B's sensor fusion gives pilots a god's-eye view of the battlefield. It's a leap beyond anything previous jets could offer. Information dominance is now a weapon. The F-35B's helmet is the pilot's all-seeing eye, a $400,000 marvel that projects all critical data onto the visor. Linked to the sensor fusion system, it overlays targeting and situational awareness info directly onto the real world. The helmet's head tracking and camera integration let pilots see through the jet, viewing the ground or threats below and behind as if the aircraft were transparent. In combat, a pilot can target an enemy simply by looking at it. During landings, the helmet provides perfect clarity, even at night or in poor weather. This eliminates blind spots and gives total visual dominance. The helmet transforms the pilot's experience, making complex information instantly accessible. It's a level of human-machine integration once thought impossible. The F-35B pilot truly sees and fights in all directions. The F-35B is a networked warrior, designed to dominate the digital battlefield. Its advanced data links let multiple F-35s share sensor data, operating as a single lethal entity. One jet can find targets while others remain electronically silent, launching missiles without revealing their positions. The F-35B also connects with older aircraft, ships, and ground forces, acting as the eyes and ears for the entire force. It can spot threats and instantly relay targeting data to allies, multiplying the effectiveness of every asset. The F-35B's information sharing is as decisive as its weapons. It elevates the entire force, not just itself. In modern warfare, data is power, and the F-35B is the ultimate digital predator. It's at the center of networked combat. The F-35B Lightning II redefines what a fighter jet can be. It fuses STOVL, stealth, sensor fusion, and human-machine integration into a single adaptable platform. The result is not just an incremental upgrade, but a fundamental shift in air power. For the U.S. Marine Corps and allied navies, the F-35B turns amphibious ships into potent aircraft carriers, projecting power anywhere on Earth. Its open architecture software ensures it can evolve, staying ahead of new threats for decades. The F-35B is built for the information age, where data is as vital as munitions. Its purpose to give pilots the ability to see first, shoot first, and survive where no other jet can. It's a flying nexus of information and lethality. While costly, its strategic advantage is undeniable. The F-35B is the apex predator of the modern skies, a testament to engineering ambition and the future of air power.